backups every minute is actually easier on the system in a lot of cases than running them once an hour, because you're only backing up a little bit of data every 1 minute rather than big chunks of data once an hour.
So first off, we're going to use a query that's attached with this lesson. You'll want to copy and paste that if you want to use it. I've just grabbed it. I'm going to copy and paste it into a new query editor window here on my SQL server. So what this query is doing is it's grabbing a number of different columns from a couple different tables around when the backup was started, when it finished, the size, the type.
But here, pretty simple, that if your RTO and RPO are both 24 hours, you can have a pretty simple backup scenario with a full backup daily. This will work in all recovery models, simple, full, or bulk logged. And it's probably the simplest out of all of the scenarios to work with. However, simplest doesn't mean that it necessarily meets all the business requirements.
We can see we can scroll back till we eventually find our last full at some point. Now that's great if you want to go write some queries and view the results in the SQL Server Management Studio. But we're going to take a look at another way to do this, and this is with Database Health Monitor, which is a tool that I've created that's freely available. We'll click on the SQL Server name and then go to the top level report, and there's a bunch of gray buttons that are the instance reports. From there we'll click on the backup status report, and it's going to show us the status of all of the SQL Server backups for all of the databases on this server. And we can see here that, last full happened for everything about 11:05 p.m. last night. Last differentials all ran around 12 p.m. and today, and the last log was at 12:20 p.m. so just a few minutes ago. We can see everything's going good there. We can look and get the size and understand what's going on with the backups.